Finishing up my coffee, walking slowly to the barns. We got hit by a lot of rain, so the chicken coops are really messy and muddy, or they were, and now we got a few days in a row of dryness, so time to clean them out. Yay, that'll keep me nice and busy while the boys in school. Coop cleaning day. I just put some DE down everywhere, and then I also, my new thing that I've been doing is putting cedar just around the border of each coop. My chickens don't really bother it too much, and then my ducks like to lay in there, so I put down some new shavings. But yeah, ever since I started putting this cedar down,